In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust your display scaling on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, should go back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select system on the left panel. And then on the right side, select display. And then for your ASUS device, go underneath Scale and Layout, and you can click the drop down and select a custom scaling level or one of the preset options here. And you can also select a little arrow to the right to then enter in a custom scaling level if you choose. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.